Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the unboxing of our scanner and the way to connect our scanner to your computer. When you receive the package, please open the suitcase and check the packing list first. There should be parts as below. The scanner with a protective casing. The USB cable. A bracket. A calibrator. A power switch. The adapter cable assembly. The AC cable assembly. The USB cable for the calibrator. Tips. A USB disc. After confirming the package, we can assemble the device now. First, please put out the scanner in the bracket, and put the scanner in the bracket on a stable desk. Then connect the USB cable of the scanner to the computer. Next, connect the power switch with the shorter/lighter cable on the USB cable. Insert the adapter cable into the power switch. Insert the AC cable into the adapter cable assembly. Finally, insert the plug into the socket and make sure the power supply is stable and the voltage between 100-240 volts. Now we have finished the assembly of the device.